I
They
see.
ask, and you have to have in the store, and it's something never expired. There's an expiration date about the products. You can use, as long as you have it in the store.
It's better than having a restaurant where you have to sell everything, you know?
Yes, exactly, on time.
Yeah. Okay. Could you let us know like what the specific location is of your store, and do you have any like special deals going on at the moment to try and get people in through the door? Uh, sort of like
Yeah, we had it's the Christmas time
yeah,
and
yeah.
New Year time. So yeah, we have a promotion, 20% off, on accessories
Hmm.
and repairs as well. Tells them right away as they come to store, they ask for the repairs and said, hey, before we give the price, we have a 20% discount on the repairs and accessories as well. And most of the times, customers come repetitively. So it's the same customers actually coming to you. There is some tourists too, but I would say more than 50% your customers. So you have to take care of them well, and you give them promotions and stuff. They know you eventually, and they keep coming.
I see. So building the relationship, it always helps to give like holiday season special deals, right?
Special deals,
Yeah.
exactly.